Bowser intro. I know we had one on the last video, but it wasn't as good as that one. But here we go. As you can see, I've been having some fun. I have a really bad feeling about this. I have those bad feelings. Something really stupid is about to happen. Oh, I guess not. Oh my god, they're having a party. They're having a party down here. Hey, get off my turf. Oh my god, I sounded like a teddy bear. I'm sorry. Holy shit. Holy fuck. I told you. I fucking told you. I fucking told you. I fucking knew it. Go fuck yourself. I fucking knew it. Bitch. Fucking knew it. Oh, the fuck you knew it. Get the fuck over here. I swear to God. I told you guys that something really bad was about to happen. I freaking told you. Seriously. I thought that these were just like people having a party down here. Jesus Christ. What happens when you mess with the guy with the bulldozer? Get fucking flipped. Come on. You'll be coming around the mountain and you'll be coming around the mountain and you'll be coming around the mountain when you can. I have a feeling this is going to explode soon. What the fuck is in there? Yeah. Get it off. It's biting me. Get it off of me. Jesus. Get the fuck off my calf. Bitch. That's what you get. You know, I really feel like this should be exploding. Oh, I fucking knew it. What? They're back? Are you kidding me? Are you serious? I don't want to have to fucking deal with bitches again. What the fuck is that? Okay. Glitch. Too many people. What the fuck? Fucking all die. Okay, well, what about you over there, huh? Gotcha, bitch. Oh, fuck. Shit, I don't have the ammo. I have to get him. Oh, I got him. What the fuck is going on? Okay. Hold on, right. What happened to the car? Did it blow up or something? Hello, Mr. Car. Did you blow up? No. Crash egg. Crash egg. Fuck egg. Crash egg. Oh, shit. Back up. Back up. Keep it there in. What the fuck? No. Okay. Go. Be a boss. Be a boss. I'm a badass cowboy living in the cowboy route. Go. The fuck out of my way. Bitch. There you go. Bitch. She's not gonna go out well. So I'm just gonna end it right here with all of these bitches dying. Right fucking here. Oh, what the hell? What the hell just happened? Yeah, I told you that something really bad was about to happen. I have instinct. I have fucking instinct. Bitch. I told you not to mess with me. I told you not to fucking mess with me. That's what you get when you mess with the cat bug. Mr. Catbug, that's what you get when you mess with Mr. Catbug. He gets smacked in the fucking face. Oh, fuck. that was certainly interesting. Hello. Hey. Didn't I just fucking smack you? Hey, what the? You're alive? Now you're not a bitch. Oh fuck, there's cops over there. Get fragged. Ha ha ha. Ha 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 ha. That's what you get. Cause you messed Mr. Campbell. Frick yeah. That was badass. Oh shit. Go, go, go. Keep her going. What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that? Is that a guy? Oh, it is. Sorry. I didn't. Look at the rats. The rats are marching one by one. The rats. Get over here. Bitch. Bitch. The fuck? How is he not dying? Get over here. Where are you? Where are you? The rats are marching 5 by 5. The rats. Now they are fucking. Holy shit! I think I just crushed one. Sorry, little anties. What the fuck? Rats are marching one by one. Hurrah! Hurrah! Fucking die, you little pieces of shit. Shit. It's my new theme song. Go. Fuck. Go. Fucking go. Wait, didn't I kill you? Are you alive? Oh, yeah. Not anymore. Wait, that was a theme to something. I don't even know what that I was trying to. What the fuck was that? Hey, I'll help you. Fuck. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to. Run, little criminal. Run, you're not a badass criminal living in a cowboy. Oh, fuck. Bye, have a great time. You can deal with the cops by fucking. Oh, what the fuck was that? What the hell was that? I just like fly off my bike. It's like, yay! What the? Hey, wasn't I just. Hey, look, this is where I died. Oh, fuck. Ah! I thought it was going. Yep, I'm dead. Don't have to rub it in my face. Well, that was. I think I'm like always gonna die there or something. Hi. Bye. Come on, be a badass. Be a fucking badass. Wow, bitch. That was awesome. Give it. Mimic. That's what this is about. That sounded so fucking weird. Holy fucking shit. Yay! Hey, look. Hey, guys. Oh, what you doing? Hi. I'm just gonna... Hey, you guys got guns? Huh? You got fucking guns? Cause I got fucking guns. That's a nerd. Why is there a nerd here? There was another guy with a gun. I swear to God that guy was a nerd. I'm gonna teabag his dead body. We must be very, very sneaky. We're hunting nerds. Hey, look, I found one. Bitch. That's right. You know what? This is a really cool fucking car. Let's now. This is a badass fucking car. Oh, fuck. Mimic. Oh. Yay! Whoa, what the fuck was that? Come on. Where's the jump? I missed it. I missed the fucking jump. See this again. Take 2. Take two. Take two. Take two. Oh, fuck. Fuck me. Oh, that was good. Light off. That was fucking awesome. Like a suicide bomber. That's totally what it was. I killed that cop, I didn't, bitch. Meh. Oh, I know exactly what to do. Worst idea on GTA, never do it. I'm just stupid, so. Hi, bitch. Fight paramedics. Because what happens is they keep coming because then they try to help their buddies, and they keep coming, and then they become your enemies because you fucking suck balls. Actually, this is a really bad idea because there's cops on me now. I can't really fight with paramedics when there's cops on me. Hello. That was awesome. Hi. Hi again. I keep finding this place. So, no, this is my like hangout spot. Yeah. Hey, where's my monkey? There's my monkey. I'm drowning in a little pool. Where's my monkey? Monkey. Monkey. Monkey, where's my monkey? Monkey. What the fuck did my... Oh, hello, my monkey. Hello. God damn it. My monkey's totaled. My monkey is completely and utterly totaled. What the? Yay! Oh, train! Train! Right, I trains too. Sorry if you heard the radio. I didn't mean to. Hey, don't squish my foot. What the hell was that?
Yes. But now you always had to be that picture of us.
Oh god, 13 minutes? Well, this is a 13-minute long video. So we're gonna end it off in a blast. Get it? A blast. I crack myself up every fucking day. This has been a Mr. Catbug Gaming Productions. Geek me.